Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video, we are talking about iPhone screenshots, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a lot lately, and that is, how do you screenshot on your iPhone? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's not too many steps involved, but I'll be sure to go over two different ways you can screenshot on your iPhone. But why would you want to screenshot on your iPhone? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're in a hurry and you're not able to jot something down, so you just screenshot the website, and that way you can save the information for later. Or maybe somebody's sending you crazy pictures that disappear. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here on the iPhone. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already gone ahead and opened up my home screen on my iPhone. So the first and easiest way you can do a screenshot on your iPhone is with these two little buttons here. You're going to use the volume up button here on the left side, and then the lock button here on the right side. Once you click both of those at the same exact time, then your phone will take a screenshot. So let me go ahead and just do that on screen. And once you can see, if you click both, then your screen's going to flash, and then you'll see the screenshot down here on the bottom left. You can actually click on it. Once you click on it, then it's going to open up the screen. You can go ahead and mark it up if you would like. You can share it through a text message, or you can delete it if there's an error. So I'll go ahead and delete this, and I'm deleting the screenshot, and then here we are back on the home screen once again on iPhone. So that's the first way that you can screenshot on your iPhone, is with the volume up and the lock screen button. The second way is if you go here to settings, which is this little gear icon right here. Once you're here in settings, you want to scroll down until you get to this section here called accessibility. It has a little person icon written in blue. Once you're here in this section, then you want to scroll down until you get to this section here called touch. It's a hand with blue around it. And then here on this section, you want to look for assistive touch. As you can see, mine is off. Go ahead and click on that line. Once you're there, go ahead and turn on the assistive touch. So it's written in black right here. Once you scroll that over, it should be green. And now you'll have this little bubble icon here. And what you can do is go ahead and just click right here on single tap screenshot. Scroll down to where it says screenshot. Mine's already checked with blue right there, and you just click on that line. Now anytime you click on this little bubble that shows up on your screen, you will get a screenshot of your iPhone. So as you see, I just did a screenshot, and it's right down here. You can go ahead and do the same thing and mark it up if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and trash this. I'm going to delete it. And there you have it, guys. So there you have it. If you are looking for information on how to screenshot on your iPhone, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.